after having a good look at how you can use Claude Desktop with several MCP servers like your file system MCP server, your SQLite MCP server, I thought let's make it interesting. Why not go ahead and create our own MCP server, and then we connect our MCP server to Claude Desktop. Does it sound interesting? Yes, it does, I believe. So what we need to do is just a very small bit of code we will work on, and I'll explain you that as well. You don't have to worry if you're new to coding. All you have to do is just simply go to Visual Studio Code, and in the following lectures you will see that we will go deep dive on Visual Studio Code. But for this one, just try to go along with me and just try to follow step by step. So all you need to do is, once you are in Visual Studio Code, just say open. You can create a new folder like say MCP, my MCP, probably you can say my MCP, right? A new folder called my MCP, right? And I say create and I say open, right? Pretty simple, straightforward. Then you need to go to terminal, right? So you will see in the upcoming lectures as well that we will be making use of UV, which is a faster method as compared to pip, because previously we've been using pip, but all throughout your MCP documentations you will see they make use of UV. So let's change our standard as well, and the recommended way is to use UV, so we'll use UV only. So first we say pip install UV, UV, not UC, sorry. Okay, so once you have installed UV, you need to say pip UV init and give a name. Just say MCP learning, right? Learning. Good. Then you need to go into MCP learning, and you'll see that automatically on this side some files have been created, or your environment has actually been created kind of. So you have the pyproject.tom file, and what you need to do is we need to just simply, when you do a UV add, you will see that a new environment gets created and your libraries will be installed. So for this example, we just need a very simple library called MCP CLI, right? Very simple library with just one thing, and we just say UV add, right? So you see that your environment gets created, which is venv, and inside that, if you see library, you will see that MCP will be there. Yeah, that's what we've just installed, right? So that now this library is there. And once this library is there, what we need to do is you need to go to your say resources section and bring this and paste it here, right? So inside this library we are just pasting this file, which is inside this environment we are just pasting this file, which is learning.py, right? And I'll show you in the next video, and we'll try and understand how you can create your MCP server. Very simple method, nothing fancy, and we'll just go step by step and learn how you can actually create your MCP server, and then we'll run that MCP server and how it can be connected to Claude Desktop. So don't go anywhere.